In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Squarespace Commerce to Mailchimp. To begin, open your web browser and log into your Squarespace account. Use the account that has access to the Squarespace Commerce store you want to connect. If you manage more than one website, it is especially important to make sure you are signing in with the correct Squarespace account before continuing. Once you are logged in, take a moment to confirm that your dashboard loads properly and that you can see the store or website you plan to work with. Now that you are inside Squarespace, the next part of the process happens through the Mailchimp for Squarespace Commerce extension page. This is the official extension that allows Squarespace Commerce and Mailchimp to communicate with each other. Go to the Mailchimp for Squarespace Commerce extension page in your browser. When the page opens, you should see information about the extension and how it helps connect your store data with your Mailchimp account. This connection is useful because it allows Mailchimp to receive commerce-related information from Squarespace, depending on your settings and the sync options available. Once you are on the extension page, look for the Connect button. Click Connect to begin the setup process. This is the point where Squarespace starts asking for permission to link your store with Mailchimp. If you are already logged into Squarespace, the process should move forward smoothly. If you are not logged in, you may be asked to sign in before you can continue. Take your time here and make sure the page fully loads before clicking anything else. After clicking Connect, you will be prompted to select your Squarespace store. If you only have one store, it may be the only option shown. If you have multiple Squarespace websites or stores connected to your account, carefully choose the correct one. This matters because the selected store is the one that will share commerce information with Mailchimp. Once you have selected the right store, click Allow. By clicking Allow, you are granting the extension permission to access the Squarespace commerce information needed for the connection. Next, the setup will move over to Mailchimp. You will be asked to log into your Mailchimp account. Enter your login details privately and securely, and make sure you are using the Mailchimp account that should receive the Squarespace commerce data. If you are already logged into Mailchimp in the same browser, you may be taken directly to the authorization screen. Once the Mailchimp permission screen appears, review the request and click Allow. This gives the connection permission to send information from Squarespace into Mailchimp. After you allow access in Mailchimp, you will be asked to select your Mailchimp audience. The audience is where your connected customer and commerce data will be organized inside Mailchimp. If your Mailchimp account has multiple audiences, choose the one that best matches the Squarespace store you selected earlier. It is a good idea to pause for a moment and confirm that you are selecting the correct audience, because this is where your store contacts and related information will be associated. Once the correct Mailchimp audience is selected, you are ready to continue to the initial sync stage. Click Next, Initial Sync. This step moves the setup forward and begins the process of preparing your Squarespace commerce data to sync with Mailchimp. Depending on your store and account, the sync may take a little time, so allow the page to load and avoid closing the browser too quickly. And that is all there is to it. You have connected Squarespace Commerce to Mailchimp, selected the correct store, authorized both accounts, chosen your Mailchimp audience, and moved forward to the initial sync.